Hello everyone, I'll show you today how we will install VMware 6.5 on a server. I will use ILO integrated lights out. I am now pressing the power button for my server because I am sitting remote. I will use this. So it's now starting. We will press F10 for intelligent provisioning, or you can press F11 for boot menu. I have pressed F11, so you can go to boot menu. I have inserted the CD and I will start from there. Here are your options: Windows Boot Manager, from USB port, we will go to CD DVD ROM. Let's see, it will start from CD. Enter for boot options. I have pressed, and now you can see it started from CD for installation of 6.5. If you have downloaded and made a CD and you just started your server from CD, it is very much easy. You can start from your server from your CD-ROM or DVD-ROM which you have written with the VM installer, and now you can see it's started installation. It's loading files, and I will show you step by step how it's installing. Just you need to be patient. You can see it's loading ESXi installer. Here you can see VMware ESXi 6.5.0. This is my version number 6.5 VMware, and here it's my HP ProLiant ML350 generation 9 server, and it's showing 64 GB memory. Here it's showing its specification. Here you go. Welcome to the VMware ESXi 6.5 installation. Now you need to press enter to continue. There are end user license agreement terms and conditions. Press F11, accept and continue. You can also go down to read all terms and conditions. Here you need to choose your volume, because I have two drives. One is I have made specially for operating systems, and the other one is for my data. This is 2.73 TB, it's for data, and I have made one RAID for two hard drives for my operating systems, and I need to select the storage device for this operating system of VM. I will select this, and you can also get more details. You need to press enter and it will continue. Yes, press OK. Use default. Hi, you reached here and you need to put now root password. I will put password. Passwords match. Enter for continue. Now it's in the next step. It's scanning the system. The installer is configured to install on this one. Warning, this will be repartitioned. F11, yes. Now it's installing. Just you need to wait, be patient. It won't take too long. You can see the installation has been completed, and it's showing the message ESXi 6.5.0 has been installed successfully. Remove the installation media before rebooting. I will reboot it, but first I need to remove the media. Be patient. I'll come back after rebooting. I have restarted, and it's loading now VMware for our use. The installation has been done successfully. It's first time booting after installation of our VMware ESXi 6.5. In my next video I will show you how you can configure after first installation, because if I will continue in this video it will be too long and it will be boring. I will tell you in next video what are the necessary steps to set up an IP for your use. Please subscribe to my channel, and you will find all the videos very informative. I'm just showing you when it will here it is. It have put the IP as 192.168.0.61, but I can change, and in next video I will show you how you can customize your settings. Thank you very much for seeing my videos. Bye bye.